If you want to set up live or video wallpaper on the Redmi Note 15, I can recommend you the TikTok application. So first of all, you have to download the TikTok from the Google Play Store, and then you will have to download this application, TikTok Video Wallpaper. So you can get all of those apps for free from the Google Play Store. And right now, all you have to do is just to open the TikTok application. Wait until it opens. If something is not working, just simply close this and open one more time. For example, by using the Play Store. And over here, you have to go for the search and input live wallpaper or video wallpaper. So in my case, I'm gonna input that phrase, the live wallpaper, and here you can find a lot of them. So if you want to get, for example, something like this one, you can just tap on it, click on this share icon in the right bottom corner, and over here go to option, click to set as a wallpaper. Some of these wallpapers doesn't actually work, like in this case, so you have to unfortunately keep looking for the wallpaper that will be supported. Okay, this one is supported because this is the screen that you are looking for. Now, as you can see, you have to click to set as a wallpaper, and now you will be able to do this one more time and select where you want to set this, for the home screen and the lock screen, or for example only on the home screen. And you can even click on the preview to take a look how it works. I hope you find it useful.